Hello students, welcome you all to the question series of the chemistry, and this is very much important topic which I am going to discuss with you all. So I am going to discuss about the chapter chemical reaction and chemical equation, the PYQs. So I have written 3 questions here. This question has came in the board's exam. So we have studied the chapter. That is very good. You all have done all the revision, but revision means that you must be able to solve the question. If you are solving the question, that doesn't only means that you are solving the question. That also means that you are attempting the revision of the chapters. The concepts are in your mind. The concept will be clear. If somewhere you stuck, no problem. Then you can refer your book. Then you can again go through the book. Your missing concept. Then the answer will be yours. The concept will be yours. So this time you need to do the concept revision and practice as much practice as you can. Because the time has gone to go through the books, go through the reference book, all the many notes and all. But this time you need to revise the concept which you have studied and where you are lacking. Once you understand where you are lacking in writing or getting the question, or you are not attempting the question, that is very much important. And if you are revising the chapter, if you are doing the question, you will be get. So let's come to the question number 1 here. This is of chapter 1 PYQ. The first question is a compound XA. A compound A is used in manufacture of cement. So a compound A is used in manufacture of cement. When dissolves in water, it evolves a large amount of heat and form compound B. Identify A and B. Second question is asking, write chemical equation for A with water. Third one is, list 2 type of reaction in which this reaction is classified. So this question is asked, I think, 2021. So this question is a very much conceptual one. So it is asking a compound A. So first understand a compound A. So let's know about the compound A. So compound A, you have to write the name of compound A, but a thing is given, a compound A is used in manufacture of cement. So you must go through that, which is the compound used in manufacture of cement. You can write a compound A which is used in manufacture of cement is what? Yes, calcium oxide. You have seen calcium oxide, very much rough in texture. That calcium oxide is used in manufacture of cement. Then the next thing it is asking, when dissolve in water. What is when dissolve in water? Means when compound A when dissolves in water, means calcium oxides when dissolves in water, it evolves a large amount of heat. It evolves a large amount of heat and forms compound B. So this is compound A when reacts with water, it evolves heat and forms compound B. So we have got the answer. Compound A is calcium oxide and compound B, which is being formed after the reaction with water, the B one. So B is what? The B is calcium hydroxide. A is calcium oxide. Now coming to the question. Identify A and B. So you have got the answer A, B. The next question is asking, write chemical equation for A with water. So this also The answer number 1 is, so you will be writing A is calcium oxide, B is calcium hydroxide. Then the next question is, when calcium hydroxide reacts with water, it forms the compound B. Write the equation. So this is the full written equation. You can write the equation in the second answer. The third one is, list two type of reaction in which this reaction is classified. So in this two question is asking that this reaction is which type of reaction. So in this chapter you all have studied about the types of reaction: combination reaction, displacement reaction, decomposition reaction, double decomposition reaction. So this is what? This is a type of combination reaction. Combination just simply means you are combining two things. So calcium oxide is combined with water to get calcium hydroxide. So you will write in the answer number 3. This is a type of combination reaction. So two type of reaction you have to write. So you can write carbon plus oxygen combines to give what? Carbon dioxide. This is also a type of combination reaction. The next one is CH4 plus oxygen, CO2 plus H2O. This is also a type of combination reaction. So first question we have completed. This was the first question. Now come to the second one. Second question is mention the reason. Mention the reason the color change absorbed when. Mention the reason when color change absorbed when silver chloride is exposed to sunlight. So silver chloride exposed to sunlight. So two things is asking. You need to know the concept also. Whole concept is given in the question. Maybe the question is only one. So first you must know that what happens when silver chloride is exposed to sunlight. When silver chloride exposed to sunlight, what happened? So when silver chloride is exposed to sunlight, what happened? Silver chloride is gray in color, and when it decomposes, when it exposed to sunlight, it is white in color. It becomes white in color. So the decomposition reaction takes place here. Silver chloride, it's gray in color, and when it's exposed to sunlight, it becomes white in color. So the type of reaction occurring in this type of reaction is decomposition reaction. So we all have studied about the combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement, and in the type of decomposition reaction we have studied about the three types of decomposition. That is, decomposition may occur by three types. That is due to photo light, that is sunlight, photolysis or photo decomposition, or electric current, that is electrolysis, or the third one, that is due to heat, that is pyrolysis, or due to very high temperature the decomposition takes place. So this was the reaction when it exposed to sunlight. The gray AgCl, silver chlorides, come to decomposes to silver, that is white. The next question is, copper powder strongly heated in the presence of oxygen. So when copper powder when heated, so this happens, this reaction takes place. Then third one is, a piece of zinc is dropped in copper sulfate solution. The third one is that zinc is dropped in copper sulfate. So copper sulfate, what is the reaction? ZnSO4 plus C. So this reaction is a type of displacement reaction. So here two type of reaction. In this question we are coming to the concept of two type of reaction, that is displacement reaction and the decomposition reaction. So here displacement, zinc when reacts with copper sulfate, what happened? It displaces the sulfate ion from copper. Okay? So what happens? ZnSO4. Since Zn is more electroreactive than copper, it displaces sulfate ion from copper sulfate. So this is a type of displacement reaction. Now coming to the third question. The third question is, when nitrate solution is added to the test tube containing Ki solution, potassium iodide solution, write the name and color of the composition precipitated. Second, write the balance equation for the reaction involved. Third, name the type of reaction and justify. So the solution for this question is that here we have to write lead nitrate PbNO3 whole 2 when it's added to a test tube containing Ki solution, potassium iodide solution. What will be the color of the compound precipitated? So here the reaction will be PbI2 plus KNO3, because here Pb is being decomposed. So and K is also decomposed. So here decomposition is taking place and here also decomposition is taking place. Since we have studied in the chapter number 1 the double decomposition reaction, this is an example of double decomposition reaction, and the double decomposition reaction is those type of reaction is which the displacement takes place in both the compound. Means you will जो जैसा वो वैसा करेगा, means this will be also displacing the other compound and this will also the displacement takes place. So the difference is in the displacement and double displacement is reaction. The displacement in double displacement in both the compound the displacement will be taking place. So here PbI2, since question is asking which color is being produced, so here yellow precipitate, and the precipitate which will be formed that will be insoluble. So the color will be the yellow color and this will be what? Precipitate. Write the balance equation. This equation is not balanced. The question is asking about to balance the equation. So here what is Pb? Pb is 1, NO3 is 2 here and here it is 1. So 2. What will be writing here? 2. So 2K, but It is also 2. So PbNO3. Lead is, so this is what? Balanced. Name the type of reaction. So I have discussed the type of reaction. The type of reaction is double displacement. Double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. This is a type of double displacement reaction since both the compound is being displacing here and to form a insoluble precipitate of the compound. So this is an example of double displacement reaction. So in next I will be discussing more question about the PYQ and more concept about this chapter.